Hello everybody. Today we are discussing the Norvina Mini Volume 3 palette. I included like the cake liner and some glitter liner. And as you can see, I ended up choosing more like, to do a Barbie summer pool themed look. Regardless of what I say in here, I tried to go for a certain look that was like red heart and blue themed, and it just did not go well. So this is what we ended up with, and I actually really like it. So if you guys like it, then please keep watching, and I hope you guys have fun. Okay, so started. I have my eyeshadow base on from p.Louise. I have my eyebrows. I have everything done. Let's go in and do this look. I don't have hearts, but we're gonna do a cut crease with that red and pink color. We're gonna use B1, C1, B3, and C3. With the light pink first. I'm gonna place this right on my brow bone. This is just gonna be my like transition blend out shade. And I'm patting this on because I don't want too much fallout and I want pigmentation. I'm gonna bring this out here. I'm dipping back into this shade as many times as I need to so that this can be completely even toned. I'm going to blend this out towards my brow bone, right on that line, and bring it down. And I'm dragging this out just to be a little bit extra and like lifted. So now I'm gonna go in with like that cherry red color. Sit right where I want the colors to show, and I'm gonna pack this on. Make sure that when you pack your color on here, you're being consistent all the way through. Take my 217S brush from MAC. It's like a very thin tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna dip very lightly into this red color, like very lightly. I'm going to go on that line right here and just swiftly blend it very soft. More of this Rumor 2 base, the flat round concealer brush. We're going to carve out the cut crease. Now this is the most difficult part, especially because I can be the worst at getting things even, but that's okay. I'm gonna try my best. She brings it down all the way, so that's what I'm gonna do too. Rumor shade 1. This is a much more pasty white color. Give this even more of a blank canvas. Take this short shader brush, go in with B2, which is just a blue color here, And I'm gonna pat this all over that whole area. Literally just like packing as much pigment on as I can. Next, she just has like this simple black liner on. I think I'm gonna overlay my lips with this brick lipstick from MAC. Next, I'm gonna take this like red shade here. Just going to very lightly swipe this across. Go underneath my waterline here. So actually I'm gonna take the cake liner and I'm just gonna put some like white dots along here. You have to kind of wet this first. So I'm the dewy setting mist. Do little hearts. Go in with like dashes right here. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to apply my liner and my lashes. So I will be right back. Before I finish this look, I really want to brighten up these hearts. My hair has officially deflated. My hair does not hold curl for nothing. Okay, so before I finish up this look, I really just want to bring out the liner a little bit more in these hearts. Turned out to be more of a Barbie world look than it did cherry, but that's okay. We would just roll with it. And with the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 4. I'm going to use the shade A5 right here. Whoops. This lid does not stay open here. I give it more of a wet look in the brow bone. So we're going to take this look even a step further for some serious Barbie pool vibes. Take my glitter pop liner from Too Faced. I absolutely love this shade. I'm gonna go right underneath and come all the way across. So this is the final look, you guys. That's all that I have for today. I hope you liked my tutorial of how you can use it to its full potential of being a summer Barbie doll. Even though I originally wanted to do the theme off of cherries, it didn't work for me, but I like being, you know, looking like a Barbie doll. I'm okay with that. Artists, we have our face as canvases, so I'm just here to bring you content that is creative and pretty to look at. I will see you guys in the next totally relatable tutorial. Bye bye.